Here we are with the cutest little baby boy in the whole world. And I'm going to give him a Cheerio. Here you go, Pumpkin. Oh, he's too cute. He hates Cheerios. Oh, sweet pea. You're too cute. Oh. You're just the cutest baby. Who ever heard of a baby not liking Cheerios?
Can I have some, Mama?
I'll give one to the other baby. The big baby. Hopefully she won't have the same reaction. Oh, Haley, stop. Don't you spit that out. Okay, Haley. Alright. Your sister's just silly. Let's try one more Cheerio, just in case he changed his mind. I don't think he's gonna. You sure you don't want to try one more? Oh. Baby Danny, that's not that bad. See, that Cheerio was yummy. Yes, it was. That was it. How about another one? Do you want to try another one? I think that's a no. Are you sure? Yeah, I think he's sure. Are you sure you're sure? Yeah, I don't. Yeah, let's put them right here, and then you can play with them if you want to.
He's like, how am I supposed to do this?
That's my baby Danny. Yes, it is. Sure you don't want a Cheerio? Here, you want to have one? Okay. No Cheerios for Danny then. No. All right. How about Mama? Do you want to say Mama? You want to say Mama for the camera? Mama. Go on, you can say it. Alright, I guess not. Say, see you later, Grandma. See you later, Grandma.
Wait, I want to say goodbye.
Bye, Grandma.
Goodbye. No, baby, it's like Cheerios. You're...
Okay, bye, Grandma. We love you.
What? Wait, are we going to...